And now we're going to take the cover off. So this is where it is on an A.O. Smith. Alright. So it's okay to plug it in while the power's on, but sometimes you can turn the power off at the breaker, whatever you feel more comfortable with. So, alright. So now it's plugged in. You can see the LED. It starts off being white. And then when it's going to blink, it's going to be reaching for the cellular network, and then it's going to go blue. Once it goes blue, you're done. If it happens to go red, don't worry about it. It doesn't have to be connected all the time, but as long as it went blue one time, you're fine. Right, it went blue, and now you can screw these in. Do you mind? Thank you. So this just makes sure that by adding the screws, it stays in there, and you'll be done. All right, that's it.